Silver against US dollar this week has dropped in value. The price has tried to reach higher price levels, and we can see the week started with this indecision candle on Tuesday. The price formed this bullish break at about 34.18, which is suggests further rise in value, but the next candle was invalidation of this bullish breakout, which is usually meaning moving in the opposite direction, and this is what has happened. The price returned all the way back down, going below a 33.15 support level, making a bearish breakout, and we can see the price on the Friday has returned back up just to confirm previous support, now acting as a resistance, and then continue to fell in value. We can see that here. So what we can see on the weekly time frame is a bearish candle, which is suggesting further decline in value. We can see in the previous week the price formed an indecision candle, suggesting further rise in value, but this was invalidated with this bearish candle. The price has tried to move higher, continuing this bullish movement, but then here a supply zone has triggered a sell-off, which means the price returned all the way back down. The monthly time frame has closed as a bullish candle. It is a bullish breakout which needs to be validated this month, which means should not be invalidated by the price going below 32.13. So it's very important for the price not going below this support level and closing the month. The price could go down and return back up, making only a week on this side. This is also okay. So the weekly time frame shows me that the next target is 32.13. This is the support I am expecting the price will reach next week. And the daily shows me the same target. So this is the first target I am expecting. After that, I will see will the price make a bearish breakout going even further down, or it will bounce, and then I will see what the price do between these areas, waiting for the bullish breakout going above or forming another bearish breakout going below. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.